Hi guys! I'm with Almira. So, nandito na kami sa gym. And nag-aayos lang siya and then mag-warm up na kami later. We're doing leg day. So, yeah. See you guys later. See you! Finish ako mag-treadmill. I'm just waiting for her to finish. And then we're gonna start our workout now. Hi guys! So we're gonna eat na. So my food is pesto pasta. Guys, may vlog din siya. So watch nyo na. And then we have this.
Oh, ano yan?
White chocolate berry cheesecake.
Yes!
And then salad naman for her. Chinese chicken
Caesar.
salad. Chicken salad.
Ay, hindi ba yan Caesar?
Thank you. Pray. Yes! Bon appetit! How was it?
Recommended by you. Kaya iba, kung natin yung Caesar.
Diba? breakfast is ready! Gym, and it's Valentine's Day nga pala today. So I have no ganap kasi tomorrow pa yung ganap ko. Stay in lang ako today kasi tomorrow full day ako nasa labas, so I need to preserve my energy for tomorrow. And ayun, siguro just rest a bit and then mag-take na rin ako ng shower. Then ayusin ko na yung gamit ko for tomorrow. And I know ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-vlog, so siguro i-edit ko later than yung clips ko for this vlog kasi wala pa ako na-edit, to be honest. And yeah. Hi guys! So it's February 15 and yesterday was Valentine's Day, so wala akong ganap. And today I will go on a date with my friend. Wait, ising ko kayo. So I'm just waiting for my other friends kasi susunduin nila ako and makikisabay ako sa kanila. And ayun, I will go down na kasi baka nandyan na sila sa baba and medyo late na rin ako, so hi guys! So I'm with Mira na, nag-aayos lang siya dyan because we're late and I'm using the G7X na. It's so pretty guys. There's no flowers nga pala. It's so big. Sa salad, Caesar salad na lang. Baby, siya na tayo. Hi guys! So we're here na sa Mamu. And we're gonna order pa lang. Ito na lang order. Hey guys! So tapos na kami umorder. We're just waiting. Here's Mira. Hindi pa siya tapos mag-makeup.
Hindi pa rin tapos, guys.
So, sinusulit ko lang yung cam kasi sobrang ganda niya. And, like, second choice ko to sa mga gusto kong bilhin na cam. Share ko lang, guys.
First choice yan. Kung hindi lang siya mahal.
Yeah, first choice siya kung hindi lang siya. Hindi, actually, first choice ko kasi yung DJI. Pero ito, oo. Kasi ma-vlog ako. Pero like, ito kasi both, diba? Picture and that. So, parang medyo naguguluhan na ako. So, ang ganda niya, guys. Sobra. By the way, guys, nag-rent kami sa... Wow, Mia!
Wow, may promote!
Nag-rent kami sa The Snapshot page. Yes. Check yung IG nila. Hi guys! So we're now here sa ULS and PE ng mga friends ko. Iba yung sked namin, so nanonood lang kami. Here's Lai and here's me. Nakikiti siya ngayon para mabawi niya yung absent niya. Yung friends ko guys, PE nila. Ang cute nila. ordered matcha. Nakatambay ako dito. Medyo na kaya yung ginagawa ko kasi mga tao. Pero, here's my situation right now. Nandun naman sa kabila yung tao, pero nakakahiya pa rin yung ginagawa ko. They don't know me naman, so medyo nahihirapan ako today kasi nag-upper body workout ako and my upper body is weak. So, yeah. Medyo nanginginig nga. I don't know if you can feel it. Or they can kita sa camera. I might go back na later. Rest lang ako sa mga. Right now, I'm gonna eat my dinner pa lang and it's a bit late na. So yun, I'll just do a quick update. After ko mag-gym, nagdinis lang ako ng condo and until now, I'm still doing my laundry. Pinos ko lang siya para hindi nyo marinig yung noise ng washing machine. And I'm also doing my assessments. So yesterday kasi, I said to myself na I wanna be productive today. Kasi ilang days akong nakahiga lang. Kasi I am on my period. And right now, medyo okay na yung pakiramdam ko. I don't feel weak na. Kasi these past few days, I really feel weak. So right now, I'm happy na
natapos ko yung mga gusto kong gawin and also yung logic ko kasi sobrang dami kong damit. So, I'm happy na malapit ko na rin siya matapos. It's not a big achievement but still, nagawa ko yung mga to-dos ko today. And ayun, see you guys on my next vlog.